Hello, blooming kids. Welcome to another magical learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn something super important: table manners and etiquette. Before we eat, what's the first thing we should do?
Wash our hands!
Yes, clean hands keep germs away. Always wash your hands with soap before eating. Now, how do we sit at the table?
Oh, let's fix that. Sit up straight, feet on the floor, and hands on your lap when not eating.
The student corrects their posture and smiles.
Thank you. And when someone gives us something, please, we use a napkin. And when asking for something, what do we say? No. Do we wipe our hands on our clothes?
Oh dear, should we eat like this?
No!
Let's take small bites and chew with our mouth closed. Like this. Remember, eating slowly and neatly also helps us enjoy our food better. Oops, talking with food in your mouth is not polite. Let's swallow first, then speak. And remember, the dining table is not a playground. No playing, no banging utensils, and no shouting at the table.
Now, how do we use our utensils properly?
Oops, hold your fork like a pencil and use your spoon gently. No clanking or playing with them.
Do we leave our plate messy?
No!
That's right! We take only as much as we can eat, finish our food, and clean up after ourselves. Let's sing our table manners song. Asterisk. Wash your hands and sit up tall. Napkin ready, that's not all. Chew with mouth closed, don't be loud. Say please and thank you, make us proud. Use your fork and use your spoon. Finish food and clean up soon. Good manners make meals so fun. Table time for everyone. Great job, blooming kids. Now go impress your family with your table manners. Which rule was your favorite? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time.